how to add developer settings to your main settings. That's developer mode. So you just go right to settings. I have already added here. So but if you want to add yours, you just click on about phone. You go to your build number and continuously tap it. So because I'm a developer, I receive no need, you're already a developer. But if you've not done that before, it will show you you are now a developer. Then this option will be available for you. Here you can do anything. You can keep the screen awake, you can unlock your bootloader, you can view running service, multiple web view, USB debugging, and many other things also. So you can just check, like for example this one. So it supports many things. You can also try um and you can also allow apps which are not eligible to be written on internal storage to be written on even your memory card. That is, you can install Android apps on your memory card. So that's just also a good function of it. You can also use it to enable these show touches, like this tab now moving around is the one responsible, and pointer location where your mouse is located. Then surface update, if you tap anything like that which is showing the surface update or you click, you can off it. Or layout bond, so it splits everything in the screen. I can also interchange the direction of your Android, so now it's the other way around, so you can as well change it back. So thank you.